Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll open Chrome Music Lab and go straight to Songmaker. Once there, select a smooth synth waveform. This gives you the rounded tone that reads like a hum. Next, set a simple scale, C major or pentatonic, so notes blend without tension, and pick a low octave plus a slow tempo, around 60 to 80 BPM. These choices create the foundational timbre and spacing. Now, place your first sustained note on the grid and listen to how it settles. You'll build the core by using longer notes that overlap adjacent steps. This produces a legato hum rather than choppy stabs. Make most intervals small, like seconds and thirds, because tight intervals sound intimate and humble. Repeat a short motif so the ear recognizes the phrase. Once done, add a light, higher synth layer an octave up only on key beats to enrich the body without stealing focus. Make sure to test looped playback and tweak note lengths. You'll finalize by balancing volume and trimming any overly bright notes. Small tempo nudges and minor octave moves often turn a good hum into a great one. Once satisfied, export your work as audio or MIDI so you can preserve mixes and iterate with saved versions. If playback sounds glitchy or you hear clicks, make sure to lower the synth polyphony, shorten overlapping notes slightly, or clear your browser cache and reload Chrome Music Lab. That solves most performance hiccups.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.